Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well today. Hope you're having a good day. So I've taken a break away from the video making for a little while and I'm back. I've been working a lot, been pursuing another hobby with my wife, running 5K and 10K road races, trying to get in shape for that, as you can see by my running medals I have back here hanging up. And there's going to be some videos on that coming up. But I got an unboxing for you today, going to be a quick one. So, bought a new watch. I gave my Apple Watch to my wife and let her use it. And I bought a Garmin. This is a Forerunner 255, kind of a middle range smartwatch. But the Garmins are supposed to have better GPS and keep up with all your running and health stats a lot better. So I wanted to try one. So I bought this one, bought it at Best Buy. This is April 1st, 2024. I bought it last week. It was on sale for $249 and I paid for it with my own money. So to put that out there for you. So let's drop down on the table. We'll see what's in the box and I'll show you pairing it up to my phone. You do need the Garmin Connect app. It's on the App Store and the Google Play. And the app's free. Works pretty good. All you have to do is register, sign up, put all your name, birthday, height, weight, and all that stuff in it. So let's drop down on the desk here and I'll show you what's in the box. Okay, now here's the box. It is the Forerunner 255. Okay, we got a quick start manual. Comes in 3 languages. Got some regulatory and safety stuff. Safety stuff for a watch. I don't get that, but we have a USB-A to the Garmin proprietary charging cable. And the watch itself, it comes with a silicone band. It is a 45.6 millimeter case. And I think this Gorilla Glass is Gorilla Glass 3. It's 33 millimeters, I believe. But it's a fiber reinforced. It is not a touch screen. It just has buttons, which I like because my Apple Watch, when I get sweaty, I try to swipe to start and stop, and I couldn't do it. But it's got the charging port and the heart rate monitor with the name right there. It has 22 millimeter standard watch bands. And I plan on getting a nylon band for this. I'm trying to find which one I want. It comes in 2 colors. This is a slate gray and it comes in a tidal blue. That's the ones that were on sale. I think you can get a white and a black and something else, but I wanted the gray. So good looking watch. So let's grab my phone and we'll share the screen on it and go ahead and do the pairing on it. Okay, so we're down here on the desk, got my phone, got the watch. Now, you have 3 buttons on the left side, 2 on the right. The top left button is your power on and light. So we'll just sit and hold this. Okay, you see a little triangle popped up. Garmin Forerunner. Okay, you can go through the languages, you can scroll through it. Top right is the enter button. So we'll click English. And now we'll say pair phone. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and go to our Garmin Connect app. And I'm going to hit the enter button again to pair it. So you got to use the camera. There we go, connect. And there we have the Forerunner 255 connected. There's the pin. I'm going to pair it. I'm going to allow it to receive phone notifications. Hit next. 10 and 6, that's about my bedtime and wake up time. You know. Hit yes, next. I'm going to keep my goals. Now I've already went in and set up all this in the Garmin app, so, and I want to sync it. And now I want to finish. And it'll ask you some little questions about certain things. And okay, congratulations on your new Forerunner 255. Now we can go in and set up Garmin Pay, our workouts, safety, live tracking, Garmin Coach, but we won't do that now. And up here you can see it spinning around. It's syncing now. It's getting all my data. So I went into the Garmin app before this and I set up a whole bunch of stuff on there. Very simple to do. It's very self-explanatory. It's all right. Should be good to go. You can go in and, from what I've read, change the watch faces. I need to go in and set how much the brightness is on it and everything, but it's a good looking watch. I hope it does well. I can't wait to take it out on a run and see how we do with it. We put it on here. Also, I'm trying to find a nylon band. I've had nylon bands for my Apple Watch, and they seem to do better when you're sweating or you get wet or whatever. So there's a silicone band. Not a bad looking watch. Good deal. And that was very simple to set up. You see, it only took me, what, 2 or 3 minutes? So, yeah. Neat. All right, so there you have it. The unboxing of the Garmin Forerunner 255. Links for this be in the description. There's the box. Hopefully it will do good in my running, keeping up with my health and my stats and everything, and all the courses that I'm going to run and everything. It's can't wait to use it. So anyway, if you've got any comments, any questions, if you've used the Forerunner 255 or the Forerunner series of watches, let me know. I'd like to know that. So anyway, hope you guys are doing well. This is the part where I'd ask you to subscribe. If you want to subscribe to the channel, you can. If you enjoy my content, that'd be great. Hope you guys are having a great day and a great week. More videos to come. Anyway, I always say this, until the next video, thanks for watching. And I really do. Thanks for watching.